The kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste products, excess water, and other impurities from the blood, which is why maintaining kidney health is essential for the overall well-being of the body, as the kidneys also play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and red blood cell production. With the rise in kidney-related diseases, there is a growing emphasis on natural dietary choices to support kidney function. And that is why we created this video, to explore the best natural foods that promote kidney health, focusing on those that aid in detoxification while reducing inflammation. Be sure to watch until the end because there's one that I think will surprise you. Number 1 on our list is berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are a powerhouse of nutrition beneficial for kidney health. These fruits are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids, which help protect the body's cells from damage. Their anti-inflammatory properties can aid in preventing kidney disease and other chronic conditions. Berries also contain a significant amount of fiber, which helps improve digestive health and reduce the risk of heart disease by maintaining cholesterol levels. Including berries in your diet can support kidney function by keeping blood pressure in check and reducing inflammation. Number 2, cucumbers. Cucumbers are known for their high water content, making them an excellent choice for promoting kidney health. They help hydrate the body and flush out toxins from the kidneys and urinary tract. Cucumbers are low in potassium, which is beneficial for those with kidney problems, as managing potassium intake is crucial. They also contain antioxidants, including vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health and blood clotting. Adding cucumbers to your diet can aid in kidney function by supporting the removal of waste materials and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Number 3, cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is beneficial for kidney health due to its low potassium content and high fiber, making it an excellent choice for those monitoring their kidney function. It's rich in vitamin C, folate, and compounds that can help neutralize toxic substances in the body. Cauliflower contains glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, which have been shown to help the liver process toxins, potentially reducing the risk of kidney-related diseases. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also aid in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall kidney health. Cauliflower can be enjoyed in various forms, including raw, steamed, or mashed as a low-carb alternative to potatoes. Number 4, fish. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent for kidney health due to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of kidney disease. Additionally, fish is a great source of high-quality protein that is easier on the kidneys compared to other animal proteins, making it an ideal choice for those with kidney issues. It also contains vitamin D, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which are nutrients that play vital roles in bone health and energy metabolism. Incorporating fish into your diet can help maintain healthy kidney function by reducing inflammation and providing essential nutrients while minimizing the stress on your kidneys. Number 5, olive oil. Olive oil is highly beneficial for kidney health due to its rich content of oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat that has anti-inflammatory properties. It's also packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which protect the body against inflammation and oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including kidney disease. Olive oil is a healthy fat choice for cooking and dressing salads, contributing to heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels without harming the kidneys. Its beneficial effects on blood pressure and glucose metabolism further support kidney health by preventing conditions that can lead to kidney damage. Number 6, garlic. Garlic is renowned for its health-promoting properties, including its beneficial effects on kidney health. It is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps eliminate excess sodium and water from the body, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Garlic is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as allicin, which can help protect the kidneys from damage and reduce the risk of chronic kidney diseases. Its ability to lower high blood pressure and cholesterol levels also support kidney health. Incorporating garlic into your diet can enhance the flavor of dishes while providing substantial health benefits, including improved kidney function and reduced risk of kidney disease. Number 7, onions. Onions are an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet thanks to their low potassium content and high antioxidant properties. They are rich in flavonoids, particularly quercetin, which possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can help reduce the risk of heart disease and support kidney health. Onions also contain chromium, a mineral that helps with carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism, enhancing the body's response to insulin and glucose control. Their natural diuretic properties help increase urine output, assisting the kidneys in eliminating waste products. Adding onions to your diet can not only boost flavor without adding extra sodium, but also offer protective benefits for kidney function. Number 8. Apples. Apples are highly beneficial for kidney health due to their high fiber content and anti-inflammatory compounds. They can help reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, and protect against heart disease, which is important for individuals with kidney disease as they are at a higher risk for cardiovascular issues. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, including quercetin, which has been shown to protect the brain cells and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative disorders. Their low potassium levels make them a safe choice for those needing to manage their kidney health closely. Consuming apples regularly can support overall health by maintaining kidney function and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is a kidney-friendly vegetable that is low in potassium and high in vitamins K and C, fiber, and phytochemicals that can help protect against free radical damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's also a great source of vitamin B6 and folic acid, which are essential for metabolic processes and maintaining healthy energy levels. Cabbage has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial in preventing kidney disease and supporting overall health. It can be eaten raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, or cooked in various dishes, offering versatility and nutritional benefits for kidney health. Number 10. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are ideal for those concerned with kidney health because they are low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, B6, folic acid, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining the immune system and overall health. The antioxidant properties of red bell peppers, especially the high vitamin C content, help protect the cells from damage by free radicals. Furthermore, their lycopene content, a type of antioxidant, has been linked to reduce risk of certain types of cancer. Red bell peppers can be enjoyed raw, roasted, or cooked, adding a sweet, vibrant flavor and a plethora of nutrients beneficial for kidney health and overall well-being. Number 11. Cherries. Cherries are a fantastic fruit for kidney health thanks to their high antioxidant content, including anthocyanins and vitamin C, which help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including arthritis and heart disease. The antioxidants in cherries can also help reduce muscle soreness and recovery time after exercise. Cherries have been shown to lower levels of uric acid in the blood, which can help prevent or relieve symptoms of gout, a condition that can affect kidney function. Consuming cherries regularly can support kidney health by protecting against damage and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Number 12. Egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent source of high-quality, kidney-friendly protein because they contain all the essential amino acids the body needs for repair and maintenance without the additional phosphorus found in the yolks. This makes them a great protein choice for individuals with kidney disease who need to manage their phosphorus levels closely. Egg whites are also low in potassium, making them suitable for a renal diet. Incorporating egg whites into your diet can provide the protein necessary for maintaining muscle mass and overall health while minimizing the risk to kidney function. Number 13. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is an excellent food for kidney health, notable for its high nutritional value and low potassium content. It is a good source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which support metabolic health and energy production. Unlike other grains, buckwheat is gluten-free, making it a safe option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Its high antioxidant content, including rutin, helps protect the blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which is crucial for preventing chronic diseases that can affect kidney health. Buckwheat can also be used in a variety of dishes, from porridge to pancakes, offering a nutritious alternative to traditional grains. Number 14. Eggplants. Eggplants are a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet, offering low levels of potassium and high amounts of fiber, vitamins B1, B6, and K, and antioxidants, particularly niacin, found in the skin, which has been shown to protect brain cells from damage. This versatile vegetable supports kidney health by aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body and reducing inflammation, thanks to its antioxidant properties. Eggplants can be cooked in various ways, including baking, grilling, and sautéing, making them a delicious and nutritious option for those looking to maintain or improve their kidney function. Number 15. Pineapple. Pineapple is a kidney-friendly fruit that stands out due to its low potassium levels and high vitamin C content, making it an excellent choice for those managing kidney health. It also contains bromelain, an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of infections and promote digestion. The manganese present in pineapple plays a role in bone health and the metabolism of carbohydrates, fat, and protein. Adding pineapple to your diet can help maintain healthy kidney function by supporting the body's natural detox processes and reducing inflammation, all while providing a sweet and tropical flavor to your meals. But as you can see, maintaining kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, and the foods we consume play a significant role in supporting these essential organs. The natural foods highlighted in this video offer a wealth of nutrients that promote kidney health. By incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your diet, you can help reduce the risk of kidney disease, alleviate the burden on your kidneys, and support your body's natural detoxification processes. And remember, a balanced diet rich in these natural foods, alongside regular hydration and a healthy lifestyle, can significantly contribute to the longevity and efficiency of your kidneys. But real quick, be sure to watch some of our other helpful videos that are popping up on your screen right about now. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.